Schnelle from Faithgirl Beauty Studio. And she's gonna give me a transformation today. I'm excited.
I'm just gonna accent to the beauty that's already there. Like, I mean, hello. I can't wait to play with all this beauty here.
Let's get started, guys.
So this is actually Faithgirl.
Oh, okay. Yay.
The foundation, it's an actual foundation stick.
Okay.
So medium to full coverage. Super light. And it's more of like kind of like a semi-matte finish, but more so it leaves the skin with a sheen. So I would say like a natural matte finish.
I like how it feels.
Yeah, it's super light. That's like my favorite part of it. All this hair, gorgeous hair. Yes. God spoke to me. I mean, like, he literally, I was literally like, God, should I do this? And I was like, I got you. Oh my God. That's all I needed.
Right. See, when that happens, that's when you know.
If I'm doing lip primer, but and then also when you wear matte a lot, you have to exfoliate your lips.
See, I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, exfoliate your lip because I love a matte lip. Okay. But you dry your lips out, so just to prevent like cracking or flaking.
Exfoliate? Like, what would you?
They have lip like exfoliators that you can buy, but you can do like a home one.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm ready for the runway. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful.
Thank you. I love it on you.
Wow. Oh my God. I need to move up to this camera.
Yes.
So they can see what's happening.
Yes.
Guys, I'm not me anymore. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Little highlight.
I'm kind of just moving around, you know, just so they can see everything.
Yes.
Guys, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's get into these lashes, everything.
Hey guys, Thanks so much for watching. Oh my gosh, you're like the absolute best. She's the best model ever. She looks beautiful. But thanks for watching, guys. I am Schnelle. I am the owner of Faithgirl Beauty Studio. And what I would like for you to do is follow us. Follow us on Instagram. We're a full service beauty studio. We do makeup, eyelash extensions, microblading, hair, nails. We try to make it a one-stop shop. But I myself, I am a makeup artist and I am a microblading artist. So you can see my work on Instagram under Faithgirl Beauty Studio. You could check us out on web, www.faithgirlbeauty.com. And you could actually follow us on Facebook as well, Faithgirl Beauty Studio. Thanks for watching.
Yay! Over and out. Bye.